everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is enchiladas. Chicken enchiladas with a creamy green chili sauce, and it is delicious. In fact, ours are gone. There's no more left. So, you should really try this. It's from allrecipes.com, so my mom's going to put a link to the original recipe in the description box below, because as you know, she has allergies, so she used substitutions for the dairy in this recipe, but it was still really good. So, you could also obviously use this one for Taco Tuesday, because, enchiladas. But I just, you'll see me in the video just a little bit because, I got some cheese while Mom was making them. But anyway, hopefully you like this video. If you do, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog, out.
Hey everyone, happy Monday, as Yoda said, or this one would be great for Taco Tuesday because we're making allrecipes.com, which I'll put a link to the recipe in the description box below. We're making their chicken enchiladas with creamy green chili sauce, okay? So we're taking 12 corn tortillas. I'm using Mission's gluten-free. We got gluten-free here, white corn tortillas, 12 of them. So you're gonna put some chicken, cooked rotisserie chicken. So I'm using this one from Walmart. It's already seasoned. Putting it in the tortilla, then putting some cheese. We're using our BioLife Mexican style shreds, and then some onion. So we're using our chopped onion. And then you roll those up, put them face down in a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. You're gonna get your oven preheated to 375. And over here, we have our sauce going. So this is 1/4 of a cup butter. We're using Kerrygold. We use 1/4 of a cup flour. So we're using beef and Oregon flour blend from Carnivore Crisps. That's carnivore flour. You're gonna use 2 cups of chicken broth. So we're using this one. Then you're gonna let that come to a boil. You melt the butter first, then add the flour, whisk it together, then whisk in the broth, and then you add in 4 ounces of chopped green chilies that you have drained. And then you're gonna add in a cup of sour cream. So we're using Daisy because that one has no milk in it. You know I'm allergic to dairy. So you're gonna whisk that in, let it thicken while you're making the enchiladas. Then you take this and pour it over the enchiladas, put them in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. All right, I've put my chicken, my cheese, and my onions in each of these, and I actually had enough room for 14. So instead of 12, I did 14. And then I have heated up all of our ingredients for the sauce. And we've gotten our oven to 375. And so what we're gonna do is pour this sauce over the enchiladas over there. And then we're gonna put them in the oven for 20 minutes. Then you add some more cheese on top and then bake for 5 more minutes, and then they should be done. So then let me show you what it looks like after I pour this sauce over. All right, Yoda, tell the people we're making enchiladas. This is what they look like. Mom just gave me some cheese, so he's happy. He likes cheese. All right, so we're gonna bake it uncovered 20 minutes and then add cheese and then 5 more minutes. All right, it's been 20 minutes. This is what they look like. We'll put some cheese on them and then put it back in for 5 more minutes and then they're done. All right, so I'm done. It has been 5 more minutes and my cheese is non-dairy, obviously, so it melts a little different, but they are done and ready to eat. Enjoy. Happy Monday or Taco Tuesday, whatever the case may be. Bye.